Hi friends, this is Priyadarshini from P6 Academy. In this video we are going to learn about third equation of motion. So to find out the third equation of motion, we have to start with the formula S is equal to area of trapezium. So why we are using this variable S means, actually we all know that velocity is equal to distance by time. So for that only we are using this variable distance. Actually for the distance we are representing the variable, we have to use the variable S. So that only we are representing S here. So S is nothing but area of trapezium. To sort out the third equation of motion, here we are considering the formula area of trapezium. Now what is the formula for area of trapezium? Half into sum of length of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. Once again I will repeat, half into sum of length of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. So S is equal to half into OD plus BE into OE. So sum of length of parallel sides is equal to OD plus BE and distance between parallel sides is equal to OE. So now I am going to show you how it will appear. So the values are obtained from the graph. Now I am going to show you the graph, how it will come. Okay. Now the graph is plotted between velocity and time. The graph is plotted between velocity and time. Here now we are going to consider the trapezium. O, D, B, A, E and again O. Okay. Here the OE we have the value time. So OE is equal to T. Initially I told OE is equal to AD. So for that we are substituting, if OE is equal to T, then similarly AD is also equal to T. Okay. We have the value AB is equal to AT from the first equation of motion. So AB is equal to AT. So OE is equal to AD. If OE is equal to T, then similarly AD is equal to T. Now what is the formula I told? Sum of length of parallel sides. So sum of length of parallel sides means the two sides of the trapezium is OD and EB. The two sides of the trapezium is OD and EB. So OD is the one side and the other side is EB. Okay. Now OD is equal to, what is the value for OD? We have the value U. We have the value U. And what is the value for EB? Actually we have the value B. How it is possible means OC is equal to B. OC is equal to B. Then similarly EB is equal to B. If OC is equal to EB, then if your OC have the value V means similarly we can get the value for EB as V. So that only we are considering the value EB is equal to V. Okay, because the two sides OC and EB are parallel to each other, so that only the value will be equated. OC is equal to V and EB is equal to B. Okay, so next what I told in the formula, distance between parallel sides. So distance means, so from the distance between two sides, the distance between OD and the EB. So we consider the distance between O and E. Now what is the value for the OE? T. So the distance between parallel sides value is OE. So if OE is equal to T means, then finally we can get distance between the parallel sides is equal to T. So that only we are substituting S is equal to half OD plus BE from the graph I told, and into distance between parallel sides OE. Okay. Now half into, we have the value OD is equal to U and BE is equal to V into, I told already, OE is equal to T. Okay. OD is equal to U and EB is equal to V. Now S is equal to half into U plus V into T. So here we are substituting the T value. How it will arrive? It will arrive from the acceleration formula. Already we know the formula for acceleration. Acceleration is equal to V minus U divided by T. So from that we are writing the formula T is equal to V minus U by A. I am taking generally the T in the left hand side and A will be comes to your denominator. So that we are writing T is equal to V minus U by A. So now we are substituting for the T value V minus U by A. Now we are going to take other side the value 2 and A. So here in the left hand side we have the only value S. Now if we take the 2 and A onto the other side, that will be represented as 2AS. That is equal to U plus V into V minus U. Now we are going to multiply this u plus v and v minus u. Now I am going to show you u into v is equal to uv, u into u is equal to minus u square, u into v is equal to uv, and u into minus v is u into minus u is equal to u square, plus v into v is equal to v square, and plus into minus is minus, and v into u is nothing but vu. Here we have one positive uv and minus vu. So we are cancelling each other. The remaining term we have is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So from that we are going to prove v square is equal to u square. So the u square will be moved on to the other side. So we will write this equation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this is our third equation of motion. So now we prove the third equation of motion.